Important above all other things is lovingly doing the divine will, and the doing of that will is food that is everlasting life, that brings it to you, and certainly now is life-sustaining. Stay by these things. Stick to your work of doing the divine will. Finish what you have started to do and preach this good news of Jehovah's kingdom wherever you are. It is my prayer that you will be richly blessed by Jehovah in your joyful service. And may God's blessing go with you. Now is the time for the distribution of the diplomas. Here's Brother Akiyemi. He's from Nigeria, and he's going to the Cameroons to do good work in preaching the good news. And here's Sister Aluni from New Zealand, and she's going to work in America Samoa. Brother Kriti, he is from Egypt, special pioneer. He speaks French, Italian, English, Greek, and Arabic. He was formerly a Christian Greek Orthodox, now going back to Egypt to carry on true missionary work.